When you were little, what did you want to be when you grew up? Perhaps you wanted to be a firefighter, a veterinary, a professional athlete, or perhaps you wanted to help others by serving your country. Now, imagine your life 10 years from now. Some of us will be career-driven, and some of us will be getting married and having children. For those of us wanting to start a family, we imagine that our son or daughter, or even our future grandchildren, would grow up having dreams of what they wanted their lives to be, and we would watch them grow up and achieve that dream, but we never imagined that they would get terminally ill. For the parents of Chris Grecius, who was 7 years old at the time, this was their reality. On the Make-A-Wish Foundation website, I found an article titled, How It All Started, last accessed on April 30th of this year. I discovered the story on Chris Grecius and how the Make-A-Wish Foundation began. Chris's dream was to grow up to be a police officer and catch the bad guys, but he didn't get the opportunity to grow up and achieve his dream. Chris was just a kid at 7 years old. He was dying of leukemia. While on a nighttime stakeout, a police officer thought of the epic idea that would change the morale of this little boy and would make his dream come true by giving him the chance to be a police officer for the day. As stated on the website, Make-A-Wish has granted 15,300 wishes last year alone, and on average, a wish is granted every 34 minutes. In the recent class survey, 18 out of 19 of you agreed that it is important to grant these sick children their last wishes, and 14 out of the 18 of you felt that wishes do make sick kids feel better. But 8 of the 14 would not donate due to reasons such as the wish being unreasonable or the money collected from the donations would be taken as profit. Today we will convince you of the extensive problems associated with children who have terminal illnesses, address some of the ways that the Make-A-Wish Foundation is satisfying this need, how our world and community will change if their mission continues to be supported, and what you have to do to help them achieve their goals. Thank you.